playing no games out here. That's how you do it. You do that shit right. You get all the stuff you need to make sure that you're setting up everything that you want to set up, and you do it right, the right way. If it costs money, then it costs money. But well, my stuff costs money. I would like to protect it. So, there you go. This stuff right here ensures that I never will break my shit because of me. Nope. I blast this shit as loud as I want. All because of these devices right here. This is about $600 worth of devices that's going to protect my $3,000 audio equipment. So yes, it's worth it. There you go.